Hi, what's up, everyone? Did you know that a bike gets stolen somewhere in the world every 39 seconds? Crazy, right? That's why today we're diving into the top anti-theft locks for e-bikes that you can actually trust. And all the links are in the description, so be sure to check them out. We're going to break down the pros, cons, and key differences between each, so you'll know exactly which one fits your riding style and security needs. Let's jump right in. On number 6, FoldyLock Forever Folding Bike Lock, 90 centimeters. Patented high-security lock. This sleek folding lock is not just about style, it's a serious security contender. Made from hardened steel segments that fold compactly, it delivers strong resistance against prying and cutting attempts, making it ideal for urban riders who need portability without compromising safety. Compared to traditional U-locks like the Sportneer, FoldyLock scores points for its clever folding mechanism, which fits neatly in a backpack or mounts on your frame without the bulk. While it may not reach the sold secure gold rating of premium chains like the Kryptonite Evolution 1090, its solid build and clever design offer practical security for everyday commutes, apartment parking, or quick stops at the cafe. Unlike cable locks, it's nearly impossible for opportunistic thieves to snap it with hand tools, though angle grinders remain a universal threat. What makes it stand out is the combination of compactness and heavy-duty protection, giving it an edge over bulky U-locks while still offering superior deterrence compared to lightweight cable locks. This lock is perfect for e-bike riders who value convenience and solid security on city streets. What do you think? Would you go for the convenience of a folding lock or stick with a traditional U-lock? Let me know in the comments. On number 5, Sportneer Heavy-Duty Anti-Theft U-Lock with 17mm shackle and 5 feet steel cable. If you're looking for classic strength at an affordable price, the Sportneer U-Lock is tough to beat. Its 17mm hardened steel shackle makes it extremely resistant to hand tools and bolt cutters, while the included 5-foot steel cable adds flexibility for securing wheels or extra accessories. Compared to the FoldyLock, Sportneer offers a slightly more traditional design, but compensates with heavy-duty resilience. Its ART 4-star certification gives a high level of theft deterrence, though it doesn't carry the sold secure gold rating of the Kryptonite chain. In practice, it's perfect for urban commuting and suburban streets, offering reliable protection for short-term parking or high-traffic areas without breaking the bank. The trade-off? It weighs around 3.6 pounds, so carrying it all day may be a bit cumbersome compared to a folding lock like the FoldyLock. However, for riders prioritizing sheer physical strength over portability, this U-lock shines, especially when paired with the included cable. Compared to mid-level chain locks like the Titanker or NDakter, it provides superior cut resistance and versatility, making it a strong contender for e-bike owners who want solid security without going premium. Which would you pick, lightweight and clever or heavy-duty and reliable? Drop your thoughts below. On number 4, Kryptonite Evolution 1090 Chain Lock, 10mm steel, sold secure gold. This is the lock for riders who refuse to compromise on security. The 10mm 6-sided manganese steel links, paired with Kryptonite's patented integrated lock system, create a nearly impenetrable barrier against hand tools, giving you peace of mind in high-risk areas. Unlike the Sportneer U-Lock, which is limited by its shape, the chain's flexibility allows you to secure your e-bike to irregular objects, making it ideal for urban environments where poles and railings aren't always perfectly sized. At over 6 pounds, it's heavier than most locks, but that weight translates into serious deterrence, especially compared to lighter locks like the NDakter or Master Lock cable. Its sold secure gold rating also makes it insurance-friendly, a big bonus for those investing in premium e-bikes. The trade-off is portability, but if security is your top priority, think overnight street parking or leaving a high-value e-bike outside, this lock outperforms U-locks and lighter chains by a mile. Compared to the Titanker or NDakter, Kryptonite delivers top-tier protection at the cost of convenience, which is a classic trade-off in high-security gear. Would you sacrifice weight for the ultimate safety of your e-bike? Let me know in the comments. On number 3, Titanker heavy-duty bicycle chain lock, 6 millimeters thick, 3 feet. The Titanker chain is a great option for moderate security needs and casual cyclists. Its 6mm alloy steel links wrapped in a nylon sleeve provide basic resistance against opportunistic thieves and protect your bike's paint from scratches. While it's lighter and more portable than the Kryptonite chain or Sportneer U-Lock, it doesn't offer the same high-level protection against professional tools. Think of it as a practical secondary lock or a budget-friendly solution for low-crime areas, perfect for residential streets, parks, or short stops. Compared to the NDakter, which provides combination convenience, the Titanker's keyed system may feel more traditional, but it eliminates the risk of forgetting a combination. However, it's important to note that large bolt cutters or angle grinders can defeat it, so it's not suitable for high-risk urban parking. If you're looking for something affordable, flexible, and effective for everyday use where theft risk is moderate, Titanker offers a solid balance of value and security. How do you feel about key versus combination locks for daily use? Share your opinion below. On number 2, NDakter 5-digit combination heavy-duty chain lock. Say goodbye to keys. The NDakter chain lock combines convenience with moderate security, featuring a 5-digit resettable combination that gives you 100,000 possible codes. This keyless design is perfect for riders who hate managing keys or want flexibility for multiple users. Its 6mm steel links offer better protection than standard braided cables, and the protective sleeve keeps your e-bike scratch-free while dampening noise during transport. While it's not as heavy-duty as the Sportneer U-Lock or Kryptonite chain, it's a reliable choice for low to moderate risk areas, short errands, or as a secondary lock for added security. Compared to the Master Lock cable, NDakter offers a sturdier construction and significantly higher theft deterrence, while still being lighter and more portable than high-security chains. The trade-off is that it isn't angle grinder proof, so it shouldn't be your sole defense for high-crime areas. Overall, NDakter provides a fantastic middle ground between convenience, portability, and moderate protection. Would you trust a combination chain as your primary lock, or is a keyed or U-Lock better for peace of mind? Let's hear your thoughts. On number 1, Master Lock 8122D Cable Lock, 6 feet, set your own combination. If you need something super light and easy for quick stops, the Master Lock cable is your go-to. Its 6-foot braided steel cable wrapped in vinyl makes it flexible and scratch-resistant, while the 4-digit combination gives keyless convenience. Compared to all other locks we've covered, it's the least secure, but it's perfect for short errands, school campuses, or low-risk areas where theft is less likely. The Master Lock is very portable, easy to carry, and budget-friendly, making it an ideal secondary lock to complement a U-Lock or chain. In comparison to the NDakter, Titanker, or Kryptonite options, it's lightweight and user-friendly, but it sacrifices heavy-duty protection. Think of it as a practical, everyday deterrent for casual riders, families, or students rather than a high-security solution for expensive e-bikes. If portability and convenience are your top priorities, this lock could be your best friend, but don't rely on it for overnight city parking or high-theft areas. Would you consider this as a backup, or do you prefer one of the heavier-duty options as your main lock? Let me know below. So guys, that wraps up our full guide to the top anti-theft locks for e-bikes. From lightweight cables and folding locks to heavy-duty U-locks and gold-rated chain locks, you now have the insights to choose exactly what fits your riding style and security needs. All the links are in the description, so check them out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more e-bike tips and gear reviews. Which lock would you go for, and why? Drop your thoughts below. I'd love to see what you think.